Okay, we're going to begin learning this song by reviewing some notes here. This is called tetratonic. Tetra means four because you're using do, re, mi, and so. On the music staff, we've talked about this before. This is where they appear. Do is in this first space. Re is on that second line up, 1, 2, okay. Mi is on that second space, do, mi, yep. And then finally, so, actually it's hard to see because the line didn't go there, but it goes on the third space. So, do, re, mi, so. That is tetratonic, which means 4 notes. Do, re, mi, so, mi, re, do. Okay, and those are the only notes that we're going to use in this new song. If you can grab a couple pencils or markers or whatever you have, you can tap together. If you don't have those, you can tap your desk. But let's read this using TTs and tas. It's all TTs and tas, all eighth notes. Remember, eighth notes have the lines above them. Quarter notes are just the one stem, the one line. And then at the very end, we do have a half note, which goes for ta, kind of like when we froze like trees before. That's what that half note looks like, where it's 2 beats. It's longer. Okay, let's tap and say it together. Here we go. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 ta. Now, you can see there are 4 parts here. 1, before this, the first measure line here, 2. 2, okay? And you can see 3, and then this 4th part here. Look at it carefully. Do you see any parts that look the same? Just take a moment to look at it with your eyes. And hopefully you noticed that this first part is exactly the same as this part down here because we've got a T, 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 ta, ta. Look, oh, we've got that down there below as well. Okay, now we're going to add syllables with solfege, okay, and I'll sing it for you. You can hear how it goes, the whole thing. Do, do, re, re, mi, so. Do, do, re, re, mi, re, re. Do, do, re, re, mi, so. Do, do, re, re, do. Okay, try singing it with me. Do, do, re, re, mi, so. Do, do, re, re, mi, re, re. Do, do, re, re, mi, so. Do, do, re, re, do. Okay, and then if you see it on the staff, that's what it looks like. We talked about first space, second line, second space, and then the 4th line. Third space. What am I talking about? Third space there. So do, do, re, re, mi, so. My voice is going up, so you see the notes going up on the music staff. Do, do, re, re, mi, re, re, do, do, re, re, mi, so. Do, do, re, re, do. Okay, now let's finally do the words. Let us chase the squirrel up the hickory, down the hickory. Let us chase the squirrel up the hickory tree. Usually it has an O, but we are saying it faster than hick or re. But hickory is a kind of tree, like a maple or a pine tree, so it's a hickory tree. Let us chase the squirrel up the hickory, down the hickory. Let us chase the squirrel up the hickory tree. Just like that. Fantastic. Okay. Now, we're going to get a little tricky here. We are going to add a rhythmic ostinato. Remember, an ostinato is something that repeats over and over. That's why you got this little repeat sign with the 2 dots here. And this is going to happen at the same time that we sing the song. So it goes like this. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta. Again. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta. Now here comes the tricky part. We're going to do that at the same time that the song is happening. I'm going to do it in a video on the next page and you're going to hear it. And I want you to try to tap along with this rhythm with your pencils or whatever you got. So on the next 2 slides, I'm just going to put this rhythm by itself. And I'm also going to put the song right here by itself. So you can practice singing the song and you can also practice doing this rhythm. And then on the video after that, you'll see me doing both parts at the same time, and I'd like you to play through the video several times until you can really do both parts independently. Unfortunately, you can't do both at the same time. You're going to have to go through a few times and practice each part. But on the next 2 slides, you're going to see just the song, and then you will also see just the rhythmic ostinato. Practice them separately, and then watch the video of me doing both parts, and you can try and see how you do, and don't get mixed up.